The year 2025 marks a significant milestone in the world of automotive luxury and performance, as Aston Martin continues to blend its rich heritage with modern innovation. The British carmaker, renowned for its elegant design and powerful engines, has once again captivated enthusiasts with the release of its latest vintage-inspired model. This new creation pays homage to the classic Aston Martins of the past while incorporating cutting-edge technology that defines the brand's future. Aston Martin's 2025 vintage model exudes timeless elegance, drawing inspiration from the iconic designs of the 1960s and 1970s. The car features a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette with a long hood, short rear deck, and a signature front grille that has become synonymous with the brand. The exterior is meticulously crafted, with attention to detail evident in every curve and line. Traditional elements such as chrome accents, wire-spoked wheels, and hand-finished paintwork add to its classic appeal, making it a true collector's item. Underneath its vintage facade lies a powerhouse of modern engineering. The 2025 model is equipped with a state-of-the-art hybrid powertrain, combining a high-performance internal combustion engine with an electric motor. This setup not only delivers impressive acceleration and top speeds, but also ensures improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Aston Martin has managed to strike a delicate balance between maintaining the thrilling driving experience that fans expect and embracing the sustainability trends of the future. The interior of the 2025 vintage model is a masterclass in luxury and craftsmanship. The cabin is adorned with the finest materials, including hand-stitched leather, polished wood veneers, and brushed metal accents. The seats are designed for ultimate comfort, providing ample support during long drives. Advanced technology seamlessly integrates into the vintage aesthetic, with a modern infotainment system, digital instrument cluster, and customizable driving modes, all controlled through an intuitive interface. Aston Martin's commitment to personalization is evident in this model. Buyers can choose from a range of bespoke options, allowing them to tailor the car to their preferences. From unique paint colors and interior trims to custom embroidery and monogramming, every detail can be personalized to create a one-of-a-kind vehicle. This level of customization ensures that each car is a reflection of its owner's personality and style. The 2025 vintage model is more than just a car. It is a celebration of Aston Martin's legacy and a testament to its vision for the future. By blending classic design with modern innovation, Aston Martin has created a vehicle that appeals to both traditionalists and forward-thinking enthusiasts. It serves as a reminder of the brand's storied past while paving the way for an exciting and sustainable future in the world of luxury automobiles.